Okay guys, I'm going to tell you how to install Xubuntu in a VirtualBox, right? So I have already installed Xubuntu. Now I'm going to show how I did it. So shut down this machine. So first install VirtualBox. Download it from here, right? Windows VirtualBox, and you can select any lightweight Linux version to install. So I am prefer to work on this Xubuntu, right? You can go from here, Xubuntu download site, and here go download, and in United States you will see ISO file. Download this ISO file. I have already the ISO file here, right? I have it now. Now install the VirtualBox to any folder you want. Right now you are going to install Linux Ubuntu to your machine. Right, it's not going to format you any of your drive. It's going to install to a specific location. So name it X Ubuntu, the operation system you're going to install. It's Ubuntu, right? And select the folder you want to install. I'm going to install it to my external hard drive. Sorry, not external hard drive, uh, to the hard drive, my SSD. And uh, now select this folder. It's going to install. This is the memory size. You can give it 2 GB or something like that, right? Linux Ubuntu, not Ubuntu, other Linux 64-bit, right? Oh, we can install Mac. No, Linux other 64, right? 48. Create. You can create, and file location is the VD2 VirtualBox 2 Xubuntu, and this is the hard operating system file size. You can allocate if you are working a lot of time and working with a lot of files. You can allocate like 30 GB or something like that. 30 GB, right? And create it. Now you need to change some settings. Go here. These are normal system. Enable these two. Processor, enable this one. Acceleration, enable this one, right? And most importantly, select to this, right? And okay, go settings again. Check storage. um, you can select your ISO file from here. Choose disk, and in download you have this one, and select this and press OK. Now start the VirtualBox, your Ubuntu virtual, right? And wait. Let's give it capture, right? Let it go through like that. Close. You can select auto adjust window size, auto resize guest display. It's going to install now. No errors found. That's good. Now just wait. It asks to install or try Ubuntu. Install Xubuntu. We don't want to keep trying it again and again. We are going to work with some files. Continue. Right? You can untick or you can tick them. Doesn't matter. Okay, untick them. We can install updates later. So and continue. Erase this. Install Xubuntu and go ahead. Install it now. Right? Like that. After that, it's going to install. This error will appear and continue. This region, continue, give it a name and a very small password, right? And continue. Now we can restart the machine. Alright guys, now we have Xubuntu. Use the terminal and type whatever the command you need. Let's download cd sudo apt get, right? Okay, now what is the path? pwd home hutch. What is this? Okay. Um, is there any way that I can change my name? No. User groups change. Okay. Nice. Okay, now Firefox also going to work. things are working perfectly, guys. So let's check some files and the locations, right? So I want to copy a Windows file into Linux subsystem. Sorry, Linux this system. Let's check what we can do. There's no way we can do it. So we have to copy Windows files to Linux, right? I just tried this file to copy inside here. I think we need to upload it somewhere and do like that. But anyway, everything is perfectly work, even web browser. So go ahead and use this, right? Congratulations. See you in next video.